Imagine you're driving and somebody runs you off the road and you crash into a mailbox or a tree. You're dazed. Your neck hurts, and when you look up, their taillights are disappearing down the road. They just fled the scene. Now what? I'm Derrick, and I've seen good people in our community make one critical mistake in this exact situation that cost them everything. Their medical bills, their car repairs, even their ability to work. And here's the thing, if you know what I'm about to show you in the next few minutes, you can protect yourself and your family from this disaster. So Sarah calls me, she's crying, she's frustrated. She says, Brooks, this person ran me off the road and drove off, and now my insurance company is telling me that I'm not covered. Does that sound scary? And here's what happened, and this is where most people mess up. Sarah almost made the classic mistake where I see people mess up all the time. Initially, she thought that since the other driver was gone, there was nothing she could do. She was wrong, dead wrong. Listen, I get this question all the time. Brooks, if they drove off, how can I possibly get money? Well, here's the truth. Your insurance company doesn't want you to know. There's a 3-step system that works every single time, and I'm gonna give it to you right now. Step 1, call 911 immediately, even if the other driver fled. I don't care if you think you're fine. I don't care if the damage looks minor. Call 911 immediately. And here's the reason this matters. That police report becomes your lifeline. The officer will document the scene, talk to witnesses, and create an official record that another vehicle was involved. Without this, your insurance company will try to deny your claim every single time. Step 2, you gotta become a detective at the scene. Right there, while everything is fresh in your mind, you need to document everything. I'm talking about the color of the car, the make and model if you saw it, any part of the license plate, even if it's just a few letters, which direction they went in, were there any features of the car like a bumper sticker or damage to that vehicle? And here's the critical part of being a detective. Find witnesses. Get their names and phone numbers. Heck, they can even be folks in your own car. But I can't tell you how many times a witness has made the difference in our clients' cases. People want to help, but they'll leave if you don't ask them to stay. Now, step 3, and this is a big one. You got to understand your uninsured motorist coverage. So here's what most people don't realize. In South Carolina, that hit and run driver gets treated exactly like an uninsured driver. Your own insurance company has to cover you under your uninsured motorist policy. Every driver in South Carolina is required to have this coverage. At a minimum, it's got to be $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident, and $25,000 for property damage. But here's the catch that trips people up. Your insurance company might try and deny your claim if you can't prove another vehicle was involved. They'll say, well, we don't see any evidence of contact with another car. And this is exactly what happened to Sarah initially. You see, in South Carolina, actual physical contact between the vehicles is generally required. Now, unless you have a credible, independent witness. If you swerve to avoid the hit and run driver and crashed into a tree, they might say, sorry. No contact, no coverage. But remember that police report from step 1, that documentation from step 2, that's your ammunition. When we went back to Sarah's insurance company with the independent witness statements, they had to pay. The beautiful thing is this system works whether they catch the other driver or not. Now, here's the one thing you should never do. And Sarah almost made this mistake too. Never ever delay reporting this to your insurance company. I've seen people wait weeks thinking maybe the police will find the other driver first. Trust me, most hit and run drivers are never found. And every day you wait gives your insurance company another reason to deny your claim. Call them the same day, tell them you're in an accident, and start the process immediately. Look, dealing with insurance companies after a hit and run can be a pain in the rear. They're gonna try every trick in the book to avoid paying you what you deserve. But when you know the system, when you follow these 3 steps, when you have the right documentation, they can't wiggle out of it. If this happened to you or someone you love here in Simpsonville, don't let the insurance company push you around. We help people navigate this situation every single day. And if we can't provide any value to your case, we're gonna tell you up front. No games, no runaround. Hit that subscribe button if this helped you understand your rights, because I'm gonna keep sharing exactly what the insurance companies don't want you to know. And remember, you deserve every single penny they owe you, not just what they want to pay you.